Hello there guys, so today I am installing my Progressive 440s on my VTX. As you see, I got the old one off here. I got it jacked up with my 3.5 ton stand, 3.5 ton jack, excuse me. And you have to be careful doing this, but it's not going anywhere. It's it's leaning on the jack, see, that stand is pretty much getting the weight. I'm gonna take this one off now. I got a 12 millimeter. Whoop. I think I need both my hands. 1 second.
Yeah. Nah, it's going while you doing
Going like this. Yeah, I'm gonna put another bite like this before I pull it down.
Is your oil this black? Well, you might need to change it.
Look at that let y'all be able to see this. And I can use two hands. So, let's see. There's one right there and one right here. I know that my bike is dirty, y'all. I've been working so much, been neglecting my bike. I got a bunch of little stuff I gotta do to it. I'm gonna let it lean back. Get this pry bar and pry it a little at the top here. And I do these one at a time. Well, you know, I did the other side already. I do these one at a time so the wheel won't drop all the way down. Yeah. Then this bottom one, you're just gonna kind of shimmy it off. Just like that. Now guys, I'm gonna have all this stuff painted. I just put plastic dip on that, and a couple more places just to make sure that's how I want it. I know y'all probably noticed that little scratch. But yeah. So I'm gonna put my my rubber pieces put put my rubber pieces in here real quick. So, and these what I do. This is going in pretty easy with plastic. I just put a little bit of lube on there. Help it go on a little easier, which it go in there pretty easy anyway. I can't do this with one hand, but basically gonna stick it in there and just push it down. 1 second. So guys, what I had to do was take this part back off some because I had the top part in too far, and put them on more evenly. And I'm gonna use this because I don't have my mallet, but I'm just tapping real lightly. And put these boys back on, bad boys back in. This is a 1/2 inch. I had to stop a second and think about what I was doing. Huh? You ever had to do that? So, you want to just tighten these down. I'm not going by torch spec on these. You can look it up. I didn't. I just get them real snug how I like. Snug it up. Snug it up. And that's it. And I know my bike is dirty. I got a lot of imperfections. I got to get these on here. I'm gonna break this thing all the way down in the winter and paint it. But what you think? Instead of this, I got these Progressive Shocks 440. 440 4050, and they of course are better though. They have heavy duty springs on them. I more so I'm going with the blacked out look. As you can see, my bike is very dirty. I'm going with the blacked out look. And I'm gonna break this thing down and paint it all black. These here, I'm gonna be painting black. I'm gonna be painting that black. Be painting everything black. And but that's it, guys. That's how you put on some Progressive Shocks. And I can't wait to take this out and see how it feels.